Hello students, this is Miss Diane again, and I'll be going over what's in your table setup. You're going to get 2 white towels on top. You're going to get a bag of gloves, which needs to be closed. You're going to get an extra drape. Here are 2 more towels, so a total of 4 towels. You're going to get tint brush, 2 all-purpose combs, long tail comb or rat tail comb. You're going to get some clips, 6 clips, some tissue, facial tissue, your soap, and some spatulas in here. So this is what comes in your table setup.